Hey, what's up, guys? Glad to be back in the shop. We got a bit of a hodgepodge of things going on in the shop here today. So a fella named Paul from the Knackler's Workshop sent me some stickers all the way from the UK. And he's got a fantastic little channel. He does a fairly deep dive into a little Amco Unimat lathe. I believe it's a jeweler's lathe or a watchmaker's lathe. It's very tiny. He compares it to Coke cans. And my personal favorite on his channel is the Myford Me series. He's been doing some pretty nice modifications to it, and it's definitely worth a look. So if you guys get the chance to do some exploring, go ahead and check out his channel. All right, we'll stick you right here. One of the boys know. Thanks, Paul. Cheers. All right, so there's a lot of new people to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all you guys for sticking around and subscribing. For those of you that might not be familiar with my earlier videos, I might have to go back. Way, way back. Long time ago, in a shop far, far away, there was a wannabe machinist. And he turned things out of steel, wood, plastics, and hammers. Now one day he was trying to make a Morse 3 taper on his little Atlas lathe and realized the compound wasn't long enough to make all that taper. So he decided, hey, I'm going to make a taper attachment. Not just any taper attachment, a very well overreached version of a taper attachment. Now unfortunately this wannabe machinist can only take it so far. They said, I need a dovetail slide to make this work. And though he tried and tried, could not quite make it happen. So one day, a very awesome dude by the name of Everett from Everett's Workshop sent me an email saying he would help me out. And guess what? Today's the day. So Everett made me this gigantic dovetail slide. I believe it's mild steel, but it is a big monster of a dovetail slide. I believe it's like 16 inches long. And he did a fantastic job considering the drawings I gave him were on a pizza box. But he didn't stop there. Yet another project that I have on the go, he decided to help me out with as well. And he sent me this ginormous motor that kind of fits the era of that old bench grinder that I got going on there. So I honestly, Everett, I cannot thank you enough. And he also sent me a couple strips of brass for Gibbs. Another fellow Canadian reached out to me via email by the name of Doug Gray. And he has asked me to make a video on making 3-inch machinist clamps. Now, being a guy who's kind of clamp deficient, and this being my one and only clamp in this whole shop, and he also supplies the kit and all the materials. You can either buy the drawings and the plates, or you can just get the drawings and make everything yourself. And he sent all very nice stock. Personally, I've never turned that 12L14 before. That's going to be some interesting stuff. So very soon, we're going to be getting into that as well. All right, I guess we'll stick this guy right about here somewhere. Thank you very much, Doug. I will promise you I'll be getting right on that project very soon, because I'm going to be needing some clamps very soon. So yeah, guys, rest assured, I got lots of projects on the go and some inbound that will be out very shortly. Plus some I haven't even really started yet. So stick around. I assure you, this is going to be one hell of a year. And a big, huge thanks to all my 1,400 subscribers. You guys are freaking awesome. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.